所以我也是说站这边比较那什么。什么问题啊？他们的样品是不是？
第三，
有。行，可以开始吧。
上面。下面提了口。
很精神，对。手机拿出来。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to John Live Streaming. My name is Rita. I'm honored to be the host of today's live streaming. Now let's introduce our streamer, Miss Tessie. Tessie, key account manager, professional market, South America and Africa. Professional products, roofing sheets, steel pipe, wear and mesh. When our best sales award of 2018 and 2017. When our best customer service award of 2017 and 2018. When our product exports award of 2017, 2018, and 2019. Now, Tessie, please.
Hi, Rita.
Hello, Tessie.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to join our live streaming. My name is Tessie. I'm happy to have a wonderful time with you today.
Today's live streaming has 3 parts: company introduction, product show, and flash sale activities.
Our main products including wire mesh, roofing sheet, and metal pipes. Please stay tuned. We will have a big flash sale activities after product show.
Now let's move to the first part.
Yes, first part, let's watch our company video.
It is well known that China is the iron and steel industrial center of the world, and Hebei is the iron and steel industrial center of China. Hebei Sinostar, one of the top 10 building material exporters in Hebei, has been adhering conservatively to its overall business philosophy of quality, service, honesty, specialty, and innovation since establishment. All our employees devote enormous time and energy to meet the need of the market, steadily boosting the corporate sales. We are committed to provide one-stop building materials, sourcing solutions for overseas buyers. We mainly deal in roofing sheets, metal pipes, fittings and valves, wire and mesh, metal fence, iron art, fastener and screw, home DIY decoration, and other steel products. We now work with more than 500 selected and inspected mills of A level to provide our customers with low-cost guarantee. We also maintain long-term cooperation with world-famous contractors, wholesalers, and home centers. Hebei Sinostar has 6 complete management systems: CMS, or Commodity Management System, QMS, the Quality Management System, PMS, the Pricing Management System, LMS, Logistic Management System, FMS, Financing Management System, and ASS, After Sales Service System. We inspect and supervise the whole process of production from mill sourcing, order placing, raw materials, manufacturing, packaging, and warehousing till container loading, so as to continuously provide our customers with products and services of high quality. We have our own logistics department and freight forwarder that are responsible for the last mile logistics, providing DDP destination customs clearance and third-party logistics services for overseas buyers. Hebei Sinostar is proud of its young, professional, and well-trained team with great passion and creativity. Together with the efforts of all members of our group, we believe that Hebei Sinostar will soon become a flagship of Hebei foreign trade industry.
Okay. Okay, now let's start to our live streaming.
Cassie, it's a very nice video.
Yes, pretty good.
From this video, we get to know a lot about the Hebei Sinostar.
Yes.
And now let's talk more. What's the advantage of Hebei Sinostar?
Okay, for Hebei Sinostar, we provide one-stop building material sourcing solutions. Our main products including roofing sheets, metal pipes, wire and mesh, fins and gate, fittings and valves, fastener and screw, iron arch, scaffolding, stainless steel, aluminum series, and other steel products. You can easily buy whatever you need here to save time, and that's why many big importers and home centers have maintained cooperation with us over 10 years.
Oh, Cassie, we have so many products. How can we ensure the competitive price?
Yeah, we have mature supply chain and currently work with more than 500 selected and inspected mills, which enable us to provide the most competitive price for each box order. Rita, for example, received order of 1,700 tons black pipe last December. According to the advantage of different mills, we arranged to production in 13 mills. This cannot ensure that each side is the lowest, and this cannot be done by a specific factory itself.
Oh, very good. And how can we guarantee the delivery time and the quality?
Our customer can rely on our service of inspection. We set up a well-trained quality control team. Our QC will follow up every step of manufacturing and ensure the quality, quantity, packing, and delivery time in conformity with our box order and related international standards.
Or whether the inspection is same as the third-party inspection?
Yes, similar. After inspection, we will do an inspection report, just like the third-party agency sent to customer. Yeah. Here I can show to our customer our inspection report.
刚才对了一下那个桌子看不见了，这个下那个，我说给你们录一下。
Okay, now let's show this inspection report. This page is our first page. We will show the information that like the brief introduction, as the sales number and whether how the partial shipment, container quantity, and ETD and ETA. And also we will write the description of goods like size and name. And for this inspection report is galvanized corrugated sheet. And now we can see this is the first part from our inspection report. The first part is cargo warehousing and surface reading situation. For Hebei Sinostar, our QC must to check the material firstly, and if the material no problem, then we are allowed to do the production. Now this is the material picture. This material includes the galvanized coil, like we will check the coil thickness and coil width, meet our sheet size requirements, then we are allowed to do the next production. Yeah, this is the second part. Second part is including the finished corrugated sheet, and this is the inner packing situation. And our customer can see the packing of the galvanized sheet. And this page, we can see this is outer packing. And for this is a label for our customer requirements. Okay, now let's introduce the second part. The second part is mentioned the dimension measure situation. For Hebei Sinostar, our QC must to check every size on our order and show the picture to our customer. And we also to check every size like the thickness and width and the length, also the label situation, and to show our customer the picture. Now let's say this picture is just like the size is 0.17, and the after corrugation width is 65 millimeters and the length is 8 feet. On this page, we can see we check the length and corrugation width, and also the thickness label of our customer. Yeah, this page is same size, but the length is different. It's 10 feet. Yeah, this is 11 feet, 12 feet. You can see we have many different size, 7 feet, and 9 feet. Yeah, this is our totally slide. We will show the picture to our customer. Now let's introduce the thirdly part. For the third part is our container loading picture. On this part, we can see there is our loading container picture to show our customer, like the open container picture and half open picture, and of course the closed picture to our customer. For that container picture, if they have any problems on the arrival to the destination part, it's easy for our customer to find which container have the problems and can feedback to us. Okay, now let's introduce the last part. You can see the last part is just like sum up the totally cargo condition statement, will including like the storage is warehouse situation and the surface vision, and also the packing situation and measure, and who is the survivor and who is the reviver, and the date of the loading container date. And if they have any problems on the destination part, it's easy for us to find it. Okay, that's all.
I think many customers will like this inspection part. It's very helpful.
Yes, it's help all workable and also can help our customer to save the inspection charges.
Okay, next let's start with the product show. Today's live streaming focus on the South American market, and the sequence of products are wire mesh, steel pipe, and roofing sheet. Okay.
Now first let's introduce the wire mesh.
Please take a sample here. Okay.
您镜头往下一点。
Okay, we can see there are 3 different samples. Can you introduce for us?
Yeah, now on our table we have 3 samples on here, and these 3 samples we both call it just like the wire mesh products, but it's different. And as these 2 products you can see here, this is just a very similar surface, but actually this one is electro-galvanized wire mesh, and for this one is hot-dip galvanized wire mesh. And this one is different type. This one is PVC coated green color wire mesh. Yeah, and for this one, we can see when we put them together, we can see the green color will have more beautiful color, and of course, after PVC coated, will have more good anti-rust chlorine. Yeah.
And for the wire mesh, what are the key points of the customer concern?
Yeah, for the wire mesh products, just like the basic size is very important for our customer, just like the basic message and the width and the royal length, and of course the diameter and the mesh hole is very important to our customer. And except that, we also have other key points for our customer. Now let's see this small piece. Yeah, we can see this small piece is a PVC coated one, and this one is cutting from the big roll. Yeah, for this one, we can see when we open the weld mesh, the cross weld is very important. Yeah, for our customer. So the solidity of the weld point, and whether have the missing weld inner row, and whether have the missing broken wire is both very important to our customer.
For Sinostar, how to solve the problem of missing welding and broken wire?
Yeah, before galvanizing, our customer have machines, a very professional machine to check whether have the broken wire and the missing wire or the sort, and if they have found any problems, and we will directly repair them or directly take them out.
Okay. And another important question. Many customers concern the delivery time. How to guarantee the customer's delivery time?
Yeah, for the wire mesh, we have 10 plus selected and inspected mills to choose and can ensure that to share the delivery time pressure.
Has our factory been inspected?
Yes, of course. For Hebei Sinostar, every factories must be inspected. That's because the factory must meet our company's supplier list regulation, and then they are allowed to add into our supplier list.
Also, looks like very strict.
Yes, of course, strict.
Okay, and then what's the flash set or the web mesh?
Okay, today in our live streaming for the total size of the web mesh products, our customer can get 3% discount. Yeah, including the electro-galvanized web mesh and hot dip galvanized web mesh and PVC coated one. And both totally size our customer can get 3% discount. And the MOQ is 1 40-feet container.
Okay, if you're interested in the web mesh, please contact our customer service.
Yeah, if you have interest on the web mesh, please leave your message and our customer service will contact you soon.
Okay, I see. Then what's the next product?
Okay, next let's introduce the chain link mesh. Okay, before that, let's show our chain link mesh production video to our customer. Okay, from this video, we could see that our Sinostar's factory is very professional and our inspection is very mature.
Yes, I can agree more.
Yeah.
And then we can see there are two samples here. Looks very same.
Yeah.
And what are the difference between them?
Yeah. Now let's introduce these two samples to our customer. And for this one, let's put it together, and we can see these two samples just both we call it chain link mesh and galvanized surface, but actually when we compare together, it's different. Yeah, for this one, we can see that this galvanized is more shiny, and for this one, the galvanized surface have some little matte. Yeah, just because this is like for electro-galvanized chain link mesh, and for this type is the shiny one is the hot dip galvanized chain link mesh. Yeah, because the electro-galvanized just gram from 10 grams to 50 grams, so it's a long time on the outside environment. Yeah, the galvanized surface the color will back to the little matte. But for the hot dip galvanized chain link mesh, because the galvanized range is different. Galvanized we could do from 40 grams to 300 grams, and the zinc coating is more higher than the electro galvanized chain link mesh. So when a long time in the outside environment, it can keep more shiny on the outside environment.
Due to the different zinc coating, what are the price gap of the two types?
Yeah. If for the chain link mesh, if the totally same size, just the same width, same length, and diameter and max hole, and for the electro galvanized, like 10 grams to the compare with the hot dip galvanized zinc coating about 40 grams. The price gap about 10%.
Okay, it's really much difference.
Yes, big price gap.
Another, the home center customer concern question. How can we guarantee the delivery time?
Okay, for the chain link mesh products, our factory have 18 production line, which is the biggest in the local foundation. And we have other 10 plus selected and inspected mills to share the delivery time pressure.
Okay. And some customer feedback, the chain link mesh packing is very difficult to open. And how can we ensure solve this problem?
Yeah, just have some customer to feedback or this question, and now a skilled worker will teach us how to open it. Now, please follow me to watch the video.
突然我这句，明天你们看不到的，到时候在这上看。
Okay, finish.
We can see that it really needs some skill to open it.
Yes, it's really needs the skill to open it.
And what's the inspection procedure?
Yeah, okay. Now let's introduce the inspection procedure from this small piece. Yeah, just also a PVC coated one and cutting from the big chain link material. And for our QC, yeah, we will check. We will do the inspection. We use like this professional instrument for the to check. And of course, we just show a little brief of the inspection. We have many other instruments. Okay, now let's open the instruments, and it's very important to put the instrument to 0. Yeah, then we can get more directly and exactly data sheet. Okay, now let's check the diameter. Oh. Okay, we could see this point is 7.8. The 3.8 millimeters. And now we to check the other point. Now let's put 0 and take this point. Yeah, this point is 7.8, 7.3 and 8 millimeters. And for our calcium, one row we must to check different points and to calculate average point data sheet, and then to compare with our other size. Okay. And of course, we will check the mesh hole. Yeah, for this one, this hole is 63 millimeters, and now we put 0 to take others. This one is 33 and 96 millimeters. Yeah, we know for the different size have them little tolerance, but it's no problem because we have got the average data, and then we for our QC master to check different points, and so for the one row, and then we will to show more exactly data and exactly value to our customer. Okay.
Okay. And then let's see, what's the flash sale activities of the chain link mesh?
For the chain link mesh, now today in your live streaming, our customer can get 3% discount.
Okay.
Yeah, for total size. Yeah, just like said before, today in our live streaming for our well-matched products, totally our customer can get 3% discount. This is just like before New Year, big support to our customer. Yeah, before New Year, because now today is 28, and we have 3 days to become the next year for New Year. Yeah, so it's really for this week our company introduce and provides a very big flash sale activities to our customer. For today, the match products can get 3% discount for total size, and just like the electrical galvanized chain link mesh and hot dip galvanized chain link mesh and PVC coated one, our customer both can get 3% discount, and the MOQ is 1 40-feet container.
Okay, if you're interested in the chain link mesh, please contact our customer service. We will reply for you immediately.
Yeah, please. Okay. Let's introduce the hardware. Or the chain link mesh is finished.
Okay, I see. There are two samples of barbed wire, three samples of barbed wire here. And any difference between them?
Yeah, now on our table have 3 samples of the barbed wire, and for the different 3 samples is different surface treatment and different type. And for this one is electro-galvanized barbed wire. This one is hot galvanized barbed wire. And for this one's different type have some color, and we call it PVC coated barbed wire. And for these 3 samples, the surface treatment that like I said before is different, and also the barb type is different. It's the era type and traditional type.
Okay, what's the difference between the two types?
Okay, now let's show the 2 types from the small room. Yeah, you can see here.
Okay.
This one we will introduce firstly. This one we call the traditional type. This barb type, you can see this is the 2 main wire, and the type is inside of 2 main wire, not as wrapped. That's inside and charming on it. So now let's compare with this one. This one, you can see this one barb is different type. We call it the era type, and for South American market, people call it motto type. And for this one, on the 2 main wire, it's not inside it. It's just wrapped on the 2 main wire. So it's the difference of 2 types. When we compare together, we can see this is very clear different point. It's just the pipe type.
Okay. Maybe some customers not very clear. We also have another video.
Yeah, we have a very clear video to show our customer about these 2 types. Now please follow me to watch the barb type video.
Okay. And Tessie, which market do they sell in the different type?
Yeah, for the barbed wire, for the traditional type sells good in the Southeast Asia market. And for the just like motto type, this is good just like the Australia and South American and Middle American market.
Tessie, what's the flash sale of the barbed wire?
Yeah. Today in our live streaming for the barbed wire products and the total size, our customer can get 3% discount, and the MOQ is just 1/25 container.
Okay, if you're interested in the barbed wire, will please contact our customer service. We'll answer for you immediately.
Yes, please take this chance to contact. It's very big support to give to our customer this time.
Okay, until now, the very much part are over. Let's move to the next area.
Yeah, now please follow me into our showing room on metal pipes. Okay, now please follow me into our showing room metal pipes. Here you can see all kinds of pipes in our showing room.
We can see there are so many different pipes. Do you introduce us?
Yes, of course. And for this, the first line is that made over stainless pipe. Yes, the material is stainless. And that's 201, 304, and 316 millimeters. And for this second line is a hot galvanized pipe. And for this line, we call it hot galvanized. Hot rolled. Yeah, steel pipe. And this is cold rolled steel tube. And for the last line, is that like pre-galvanized steel tube and square tube. And also we do seamless pipes and other decoration types.
Okay. We know that the galvanized type have 2 different types.
Yeah.
Could you introduce what's the difference between them?
Yeah, now we can see here. This is 2 samples. These 2 samples is this one is pre-galvanized round tube, and for this one is hot dip galvanized round tube. And this, when we put them together, it's very similar color,
Yeah.
but actually it's different. For this, we call it pre-galvanized tube, and this is rolling directly by the galvanized strip. Yeah, we will after rolling welded, and we will directly get to the pre-galvanized round tube. And for this one, it's different. This one is hot dip galvanized round tube, and this is rolling from the black strip. And after welding, we will get the black pipe, and then we will send the black pipe to the galvanized factory to do the galvanizing. After galvanizing, we will get the hot dip galvanized round tube. And for this one, the zinc is very different. And this one for the hot dip galvanized round tube, the zinc from zinc coating is just like 200 grams to 250 grams. But for the pre-galvanized, the commercial quality just 30 grams. It's very different zinc coating, and also the price is very different.
Okay. And let's see, compared with the black steel pipe, what are the advantage of the hot dip galvanized one?
Yeah, we can see this one. This one is cold rolled black steel tube. And for this one, just black color and no any treatment on the surface.
Yeah.
But after do the galvanizing, we will get the hot dip galvanized round tube. Yeah, for that, we know the black pipe is very easy to get rust. So we will let our factory to make the oil on the surface to anti-rust. But for the hot dip galvanized zinc coating pipe, it's just because the very advantage is have very good anti-rust because the higher zinc coating. Yeah, so it can use more than 20 years but not rust.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, if you want very good anti-rust pipes, please choose this one. Yeah.
Okay. And then I see. Okay. What's the flash sale activities of the steel pipe?
Okay, today in our live streaming. Okay, we can see today in our live streaming for the of the hot dip galvanized tube and the pre-galvanized tube, and both our customer can get this discount. This time just 5 pieces per ton for free. That means except for the normally pieces per ton, our customer also can get 5 pieces free. Yeah, this is addition 5 pieces sent to our customer, and no change, no free. So we call it no free and send to our customer.
Okay, and that's a very good support to our customers.
Yes.
If you're interested in the hot dip galvanized steel tube or pre-galvanized steel tube, please contact our customer service. We'll reply you immediately.
Yes, please take this chance. And also our MOQ is 120 feet container, and for that means each ton you will get 5 pieces per ton. Please take this chance to contact.
Okay, then let's see the steel pipe area over. Let's move to another one.
Yeah, now please follow me into our roofing sheet area.
Okay, so we can see there are so many different roofing sheets in the showroom. Will you introduce for us?
Yes, please. Of course. Now let's introduce our roofing sheet to our customer. And for this slide, you can see this is very popular for our customer, and then the most popular one, like the galvanized roofing sheet and the alu zinc roofing sheet. And for this slide, it's different color. This called PPGI, and that's called pre-painted corrugated sheet. And for this slide, this is different material. This is the aluminum roofing sheet, and for this type is the ASA roofing tiles. It's just a polyester material. And now we can see this one. This one is also different. It's a polycarbonate hollow sheet. Yeah, and also the PC corrugated sheet is also very popular now to our Southeast market, and also the American market is very popular. And for this line, this is the carved metal wall panel. This for the outside decoration panel. Now it's also very popular because it's very easy to initial onto the wall and very beautiful color can give to our customer. Okay.
Okay, let's see. We know so many types of roofing sheets. And what will you introduce today?
Okay, today let's introduce the zinc roofing sheets.
Okay. Compared to the regular galvanized roofing sheets, what are the difference of the aluminized roofing sheets?
Yeah, we can now firstly when we check together, our customer can clear to see that it's very different on the surface. Yeah, different surface colors and different. That why have the different colors just because for the zinc material, this material contains 55% aluminum, and then the corrosion resistance is about 2 times of the galvanized sheet. And also for the zinc material have very, very good heat resistance. It can be used more than 200 degrees high temperature.
Okay, it's very good quality.
Yeah, of course.
And how to distinguish the zinc coating?
Yeah, for the zinc coating, it's better for customer to choose a professional instrument. If your customer knows it, we can to distinguish have a simple manner. Yeah, we can distinguish from the surface. Yeah, now we can see these 2 different samples. Okay, these samples on my hand, we can see these samples, the zinc coating is just AZ 40 grams. And for this one on my colleague's Rita hand, this one is 150 grams. Yeah, when we put them together, we can see for the AZ 155, the zinc spangle is very big and more clear. Yeah, and this is very simple manner. You directly can see to choose which one is more best zinc coating and more best quality. But on our eyes, it's not very exactly. Sheets. It's just it's about to check which one is more better. Yeah, if you want to get more exactly data and exactly value, it's better to introduce you to choose the professional instrument to test it.
Okay. But I heard that the aluminized zinc is very easy to appear black spots when driving.
Yeah, so for our customer, they like to choose the anti-finger process to avoid it.
Okay. And what's the packing of the roofing sheets?
Yeah, for the roofing sheets packing, just like it's very silver palette. Yeah, firstly silver palette, and outside is a metal shell, and of course, now we increase the bottom corner to do the production. We have a very good and clear video to show our customer like our production process and our inspection procedure and of course our packing. Now please we come together to watch the video for our sheet.
Okay, and then let's see what's today's flash sale on aluminum roofing sheets.
Okay, today the electric roofing sheet for customer and also can get this discount. Yeah, discount that's like 5 pieces per ton for free. Yeah, that means our customers will also can get 5 pieces per ton for free. This is additional 5 pieces sent to our customer.
Has every size had this discount?
Yes, of course, every size for the aluminum roofing sheet from 0.13 millimeters to 0.5 millimeters thickness, our customer can get this discount. And of course, the MOQ is 20 feet container.
Okay, it's really a big support to our customer. If you're interested in the aluminum roofing sheet, please contact our customer service. We will reply to you immediately.
Yes, please take this chance as really a big support to our customers before our new year.
Okay, until now, our product show come to an end.
Yes, thanks for watching our live streaming.
Oh, thanks for all support. Now we can see many customers are contacting us.
Yes, please, if you have any questions, you can initiate one-on-one meeting. We are waiting for you.
Welcome to Hebei Sinostar live streaming at tomorrow 21 o'clock. Tomorrow we also have many flash sale activities after the product show. You can scan our WeChat QR code. We'll answer for you immediately.
Friends who not catch up our live streaming, please reply and go back to watch our the reply.
Okay. Thanks for everyone. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
再练2次就熟了，一凡的那词儿，一次比一次熟。一凡你在直播的时候老皱眉头。